So a few of you have asked how I film stuff on my bench here, so I just figured I'd give you guys a quick little rundown of what exactly I'm doing here and how I get the shots I get over my workbench. I use a homemade gym arm. Well, first of all, let's take a look at the lighting. So the lighting consists of some LEDs and some fluorescent lights directly over top, but there's also two additional compact fluorescent. These are 65 watt CFL bulbs. They are, as you can see, pretty big, and that's what lights the place. There's also another light at the back which I don't have on right at the moment. So that one's an HMI, a metal halide type lamp that gives me another key light from over my shoulder, which I turn it on depending on what I'm using. And then depending on where I'm working in the shop, I'll sometimes turn on this big one here, which is this is a 400 watt metal halide lamp if I'm working on something more in the middle of the shop as opposed to over the bench. I have another LED here, and there's another one here mounted over on the tripod. This is an LED light in here. So this gives me light on both sides. So I've got light coming down overhead, light coming in from this direction as well as from over here and over my shoulder. The camera is, well, this is kind of my own little contraption. I'll show you. This is my homemade jib arm, and all it is, it's just my old Manfrotto tripod, and with the fluid head, and this is basically locked off. I don't attach a camera here. I could attach a camera up here. In fact, the camera I'm holding can fit into this mount, but I don't. I just use this because I can lock it off, and to the handle, I've got another tripod, and this is just a basic little, and all this little slick, I think, just a basic little tripod. And this is the camera that actually does the recording. And it's almost identical. The camera that I'm using, this is an AX53, an FDR AX53. And what I'm shooting this on is my second camera, which is an AX33, which sometimes I'll set up and I'll have it pointing at the scope. And I have a monitor over my bench here so that I can see exactly what I'm shooting. So while I'm working, I can look up at the monitor and see exactly what I'm working on from my workstation. Then of course over here is my audio monitoring station for checking out amplifiers and tape decks and stuff. I'm using this Akai AM2450 as my monitor amp for testing out audio stuff. Anyway, that's the workbench. I'm going to be cleaning this up here because I just did a couple camcorder videos. I've got to do a VCR today. I'm working on an SL VR1000. In fact, as soon as I put this camera down now, I'm going to go grab that one, and we'll get that one uploaded, and then I'll have some more audio stuff. I got some more tape decks and stuff to work on that we'll try some more of these Amazon special belts in. So we'll be working on some of those. But right now I'm going to clean up this mess and get this parts from this old scrap camera put away, and then we'll get onto this SLVR 1000. Thanks for watching.